Welcome to Lazy Cooking with me, Karen. So, as you well know, or you have been living under a giant rock for the past couple of weeks, months even, the coronavirus has spread all over the world and a lot of people are in self-quarantine or in total lockdown. So, I am one of those people that just decides to barely leave the house. I really feel like we need to take this seriously, and it just angers me when ignorant bastards go out and have fun in the woods or whatever. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make pancakes, so let's do this. As I said before, lazy cooking, because I am not a good housewife and I'm certainly not a cook. I have my milk, a package. I also like to add vanilla sugar, so I have that here with me, and of course the eggs. I am also watching Vampire Diaries in the background, so if you hear something, that's probably it. I've been rewatching it since 2 days and I'm already on episode 18. Excuse me, sir. I also like to make sure that I stir it a bit before I add anything, just to make sure there are no lumps in there, because that's gonna be a bitch to get out. I don't have an electric one. I like to use this to train my arms, because as you probably can tell, I have not been working out in quite some months. I suck, I know, but at least being self-quarantined gives me time to start working out again. So, alright, so 850 milliliters of milk. Since I don't have a bigger one, I do 400 and then 4.5. What you need to make pancakes is a package of mixture, and I only need to add milk and 2 eggs. Alright, so I always like to start by adding a bit of milk, like not everything at once. And just mix that. Oh my god. Barely begun and I'm already covered in white stuff. Nice. Alright. I need more milk. Right. Before I mix it too well, I can't get it mixed anymore. I like to add 2 packages of vanilla sugar. And this is from the brand Dr. Oetker. I like to add a technique of pulling it up and then throw it on the table. I like the technique of pulling it up and then like spin the milk in there. Like, I don't know how to explain it. That works best for me to avoid spilling everything everywhere. More sugar. And then next, the egg. Just make sure that you don't have any annoying dogs barking. As I was saying, just make sure you know you can crack an egg without having all the shell fall in there, because it took me quite some time to learn how to properly crack an egg without destroying the rest of the food. Oh my god, I heard about the unbreakable egg. Like, if you put it like this and this, I'm scared. It's really, oh my god, it's true. Mixture's all ready. Alright, so I start by putting in butter. I use too much, so I gotta use this thing. Normally I rather use a bowler, more round one, but I don't have that, so we're gonna go for this. So before I add anything else, I'm just gonna stir this to make sure there are no lumps in there. And I always use 2 plates to put 1 pancake on there, top over that, so they stay warm. So I'm currently peeling a banana because I want to make a banana pancake. So I'm putting it in this. I'm gonna make it all nice and smushy, so it looks disgusting, but it tastes amazing. And that's how we do it.